So we've got our building. It looks a bit heavy, but that frame is 5mm. You can obviously reduce it, but that makes a nice sturdy frame to add our walls to. So we'll start off with, on the end wall, double click, so we highlight the face, we copy, edit, and we'll paste it back in place. And then we'll get our pencil and we'll draw a line across and a space. We use the eraser and we'll take out Control Z. If we pick the back wall and hide it, we won't erase it. On the face again, eraser, take out the wall, click on, push pull, pull it out, 0.06, enter. Looks good. Triple click, right click, make a group. Now before we go anywhere else, we can copy this to the other end. So we move tool, control, along the red axis, and we'll just move it to the end of the other building. And we edit, unhide. So we've got our walls back. If we highlight our subframe, right click, make a group. And if we get a little bit messy, we can highlight and hide it, and we can see where we're going. We'll just make this end wall solid brick. Highlight, copy, click away, edit, paste in place, click the bottom, and we'll go put some bricks on it, and we'll press OK. Yep. Click the wall, click the back of the wall, make a group, done. And we know we've got a subframe on this wall, so if we like come across, we can reference it off there, which is 5mm, and then we can reference off the bottom 5mm. That's about 5mm off the top, I think. On the blue, 2.5. So now we know where we can put our window without. So we can draw a line across there. Yep. So we know if we put our window in this square here, we won't hit a subframe. Oh, we've got a back subframe as well. We'll come along. Right there. There we go. So we'll put a window in there. We'll make this a workshop. So we'll have a window in here. Let's bring our man Chris round and give us a bit of perspective. Another window. Nice big window this time. Yep. So if we double click, cut, highlight the back wall, edit, paste in place, and then we can push pull that through, and then we've got a nice opening for our window. Double click. What we need to do now is pencil tool across this opening, remove the centre bar, pick the window and cut. Click away, edit, paste in place. Double click, right click, make a group. Double click, select the window, and then we go to our panel divider in 1001 bit toolbar. Quite a big window, so I would go for 3, and we'll do try 8 across. Frame depth as 1 mil. Frame width, we'll crank that up, give it a 0.2, and then our divider stays the same at 0.04. Create on the back, create window. That looks a bit. Control Z. We'll try again. Looked a bit heavy that, didn't it? So if we do 2 and 6, keep the frame depth as 1 mil. Oh crap. That's not gone well. Oh, frame width 0.1. That looks more reasonable. Double click, remove the glass because it won't print otherwise. And we'll probably have to push that through because it's 1 mil. So we go on the inside, move tool along the red axis, and we'll push it till it touches the wall, and we'll flush the back of the wall then. We'll highlight the end wall, highlight the bottom, and we'll put some bricks on it. And there we go. Start of our workshop. Come to the front. We'll have a door in the front. We use a rectangle tool. We go from the corner brick there, the corner there, and that'll overlay and hide the end ones. Push pull tool, actually right click, reverse that face so it's white. Push pull tool, 0.06. Yep. Now if you see, that's not covered the end wall there, so if we click on that, push pull, better, and we're good to go there. Push that back a bit. We need to cut that edge off where the roof intersects. So if we get our lined tool and we'll pull it along, and it stays cerise, it's going parallel with the line there. Push pull tool, and we'll just take that edge off, click on that edge, and we'll pull it back to the end of the brick again. And there we go. So when we lay our roof on, it should overhang the edge without any gaps. Triple click, right click, make a group. Up to you what you do on the front. I'll just put a door in, of course we've just done windows. I'll bring Chris round. Some perspective. So we'll have a rectangle tool, find the midpoint, and we'll go up. So we'll go up 0.7, comma, we'll go point, no, we'll go 2. Yeah, that's about right. Double click, move tool, control, move it along the red axis. Pick tool, delete, and we've got a doorway to our workshop. Double click, right click. Actually, if we double click, if we click the face and copy it, double click, and we cut that, highlight the front, edit, paste in place, and then we can push pull that through to the back, and we've made our opening. And then we can edit, paste in place again. We've got a door, so we've got a door frame there and our door. Do a bit of work on the door. Double click, push pull it out, 0.06, enter. Make a frame for the door. We offset our panel by say 0.12. Good. We'll push pull that edge 0.04, so that gives us a 1 mil overall thickness of door. Highlight the front, and I think we'll go up and down. Get our O and B, and we'll do our wood cladding, and we'll cancel that because it's running the wrong way. We'll click it, and we want it running up and down. So click the side, and we'll put our wood cladding on. Now, if you don't want the gaps in it, change the length of a plank to say 50, and it just takes out all the joints. We'll press OK. Triple click, right click, make group. Control, right click, make group, right click, hide, and that's our door. I'll Control Z, put the door back. On the front, highlight the front and the bottom edge. Put our bricks on there. Okay. So we got our outbuilding, front door, side window. We'll put a roof on. Sometimes you can draw it with a rectangle tool, sometimes you can't. We'll go, it won't lay flat. So use a pencil tool, come from this edge, so we've drawn a square flat on there, and then right click reverse face, double click, right click make a group, and then we use the push pull, the scale tool, and we'll pull that, and it should pull along the it's going weird now. Escape. We'll try that again. We can use a plug-in, it's called Threado Scale, Boxing Scale. We'll try that a bit different then. Red uniform, and we'll pull it along and see if that works. Yeah. And we'll come along this edge, and that's worked a lot better. So got a bit of an overhang all round. and then we want to double click and pull it up 0.06. That's good. Actually, we'll pull it up another 0.04. So we'll have a flat roof, plain flat roof on here, and we have got an overhang all round. It may need to be moved into the middle. Find the midpoint, press the red key, and we'll centre it in the middle. There we go. And what we can do is you can tile it. What I use, a technique, is put strips of masking tape on so it looks like roofing felt and felt it that way. Well, I hope that helps. That's the end of this one, and what we'll do next is we'll make a chimney stack. We'll put the chimney stack on the side, or a tapered chimney, because it's quite involved. We'll see how we go. Thanks very much for watching.